Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to use load method in VB.NET or Visual Basic.NET. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. In using load form, when we say load form, it is a method that when we execute our program, especially the form, it will execute immediately. So to use the load form in our form, just double click this the form itself, and then it will display here the method load. For the purpose of illustration, I will issue a command msg box, message box, open and close parentheses, let's say load method activated. We want to display this text on the message box. After that, we will go to our form, and then when I click the play button, observe properly what will happen. Okay, the load method is activated by executing this message box. Click OK to stop running the program. Okay, that's it. That's very simple. We have here the load method, we have here the message box, and then we have here the sample text inside the message box that is load method activated. Okay guys, so this is the end with our short video on how to use load method in VB.NET or Visual Basic.NET. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.